Hello everyone, welcome to the third series. Mom, why is 14 August important? Daughter, it is the day Pakistan became independent. Wow, so what do we do on this day? On this day, we hoist the flag, watch parades, and express our love for our country. Mom, I'm also going to my school to celebrate 14 August. That's great. Make your country proud. Remember, we should work hard for the progress of our Pakistan. Thank you. So, happy 14 August, Pakistan, Zindabad, Yom Azadi, मुबारक हो सबको दिल से. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.